It's time for Bratayley.
So the girls decided to take over our room. And these 4 girls decided that one big bed was big enough for them.
What you doing?
I'm just eating and drinking.
You're drinking your breakfast? Wait, it is her second breakfast, P.S., but she made herself some, we don't have any bowls, so cereal and a cup. No spoons either. So she's drinking her cereal.
But there's milk in it, so it counts as a drink.
Right. All right. We have got a beautiful day here in the Bahamas. Our last day here. We leave on a plane tomorrow. Big girls are already down. And we're getting ready to go out and enjoy some sunshine. And a lot less wind than we've had.
Wait, where are we going down?
I don't know, beach? Water slides?
Beach.
Let's do it. Let's go get some lunch first. Well, you're not gonna want any, but I do.
We finally got a sunny day. And Hayley's playing in the water. You trying to plug 2 of them at once? Got her. Got her. You're what? You're hungry?
No, I'm on concrete.
Oh, you're on concrete. Are you okay?
Yeah. It didn't hurt me.
You excited that today's a good day?
Good idea, and
Finally got some good weather. Bless you.
You know what though? It's one of those double-edged things because when it's good weather, there's a ton of people out here. But yesterday was bad weather where you could ride all the slides because no one was in it.
Burying our friends, or our friends burying us. Good job. Salt water. Salt water to the face.
Wait.
Things I found on the beach.
What's that? Oh, that's mine. Alright, so I found this coconut.
Wow. A magic necklace and lots of coconuts. You guys found candy on the beach?
What did they say about your beach thing?
You have a beach thing?
I got
Haley, that's my candy.
Rapid River thing.
Oh, lots happened. We were separated all day.
Your bed might possibly be wet because Mr. Billy forced Emily to eat a hot tamale, and then I was drinking water, and Emily took it out of my mouth, and then went all over the bed.
Shaking my head at him.
I put it in her mouth, and then I did this. And she was like,
Billy, that's like child abuse.
Spilled the water all over me.
Oh, yay! Look at that.
Mine.
You found a bone? Looks like a bone.
This is so yours
It is a bone? Ew.
Oh wait, I just saw it.
Ew.
Yes. Is that a chicken bone?
It's a pig bone.
Look, this bone. So we have this coconut, this bone.
I'm getting reactions out of her.
This coconut. Okay, wait. So we each got half a coconut.
Oh, good.
We each got a bone. Look, it's a cartoon coconut. It has like the 3 dots.
Oh.
I got this weird shaped things. These are mini coconut. Half a shell. Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Are you finished?
Is this the finished product?
Finished.
Finished product.
Beautiful.
Oh, that felt good.
And all of this is just in here.
Ooh.
All the makeup?
I want one of those. Just so you know.
We're gonna go shopping. We might try something.
We're gonna go shopping?
Well, not.
Okay, I want that dress and that hat and the bathing suit downstairs.
It's on film. Now you have to get it.
What happened to the pig? This is our last night in the Bahamas. Who's that?
Somebody here?
I think so. See who it is.
Oh, I don't know how to do that.
Oh, well, come in.
Don't tell them, Katie.
Goes to a Christmas present.
That's what it is.
Wait, I get a Christmas. You like it?
Hey, are you guys ready to have our last dinner?
No, it's our last dinner.
This vacation went by so fast. I feel like last summer was really long.
I know.
Yeah,
I think it was because of the weather.
Yeah, because it was still like, and because the school days taken up by meets and practices.
Oh, the whole.
Well, that's the reason why we came.
Look at the balloon. Stop in front of people.
Oh, I see it.
Look at the, I mean,
Look at your balloon. Look at your balloon you lost. Never.
look at the balloon you never touched. Look at the balloon you never laid eyes on. That you lost.
I turned the camera on because you were petting Miss Jen and I thought it was funny.
I'll do it again.
I bet it does. I like when people play with my hair. Thanks. Feels so good. Oh, nothing. We're just walking down the hotel, getting pet.
Petting Miss Katie's
Yep,
hair.
it's all
That's
normal.
the stand that Brendan knocked down.
He knocked what down?
He knocked down that stand. Did you hear that story?
No.
He didn't?
He knocked the
No,
stand
he
down?
was like running and he did this, like shoulder checked the stand, and all the jewelry inside fell.
Oh,
And we all did this, and we were just standing there waiting to see what would happen. Then we just bolted out.
I did not hear that story.
Mr. Billy was there for it.
Hey, remember that time when you climbed up on there?
I remember that.
Yeah.
That was only a few days ago.
Yeah, that wasn't that long ago. Oh, the things we do.
That felt really good. Can we do it again? Oh, it's supposed to be Atlantis. Oh. No, I think it's something, someone took it and it fell because there's a phone behind. Yeah, but it's supposed to be.
Are they Legos?
Yeah.
That's cool. It's a Leap of Faith Lego set. Getting a little shopping done before dinner, our dinner reservation. Annie's gonna pick her souvenir out. Hayley, did you pick your souvenir? Don't leave your phone. Good advice, Liv.
souvenir?
Yeah. Is that what you want?
Life advice for
That is
I'll
so
be here
cute.
every Thursday. Wait, what's today? Monday.
Monday.
Be here every Monday.
Switch you.
Life advice with Liv. Ooh, this one's coral.
That's a great color.
I just want to. Can we go and eat now?
Yes, we have a table in 5 minutes. Oh no!
That is hysterical. It is a glass, like a straight up glass. And look at the water circle in the bottom.
That is crazy. My glass had a hole in it.
There's a hole in the bucket. You're alive.
Do it, do it.
Go, good.
Homemade waterfall. Go ahead, Hayley.
Go get you some, hey.
I got water right here.
We got more.
Come on, Hayley.
Go on the other side of it.
That is so.
Is anybody thirsty for a drink?
Hurry.
You have to stick your mouth in there.
Was that good? Are you refreshed? Oh, Carmine. Look at that
This is.
steak.
You're not gonna. I don't know if you're gonna get a pass.
Look at that chicken. Look at those girls. Who's hungry? There's steak and chicken down here.
This is
I have a lot of
Katie.
steak and a lot of chicken, please.
A lot's not a good amount.
This place is so good. It's all family style. You can have, yes, you can have steak. You want some chicken too? Did you have this last time?
Yes.
It was delicious. This is our second time at Carmine's here in the Bahamas.
No, they don't.
Big night, so.
It's delicious.
Why is she laying in the sand with her Gucci purse?
I mean, don't you often lay in the sand with Gucci purses?
Duh.
We've shopped, we've eaten, we're full.
I got
we're
to I
tired.
did all the lifeguards today. I asked him random questions. I said, "What's your favorite kind of pie?" And he goes, "American." I was like, I go, "What's your favorite kind of ice cream?" And he goes, "Oreo."
You were quizzing the lifeguard?
I go, "What color is your hair?" And he goes, "What'd you say? What color is your hair?" And he
Hey, that's a good question today. What's your favorite kind of pie?
key lime. Wait, why did you say pie?
Because she quizzed the lifeguard and he said American pie. What's your favorite kind of pie?
Key lime. S'mores. I don't like pie.
Hayley, favorite kind of pie?
Cherry.
Berry pie. All right, guys.
Blueberry.
Blueberry pie, she changed it. That's a wrap on the day. We will see you tomorrow on the way home.
Well, you can do